Hi, I'm Shailendra Singh from Global Logical Software Technologies from MakeMyProject.com. VAS has successfully finished a project based on anti-theft collaborating management system. They are from East College. So let's take review how they felt while doing the project in the Global Logical Software Technologies. First, introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Sushma from East West Institute of Technology. I'm doing information science engineering. I came here to one of my seniors. And firstly, the environment here is very good. We feel comfortable. But the only drawback is even they are busy doing other projects and time shortage.
Thanks, okay.
And all the staff members are very good. They help disadvantage is time shortage.
Yeah, time shortage because of like 1,200 people are there for maintaining their things within 10 days is not possible. So, but anyhow, like we are trying my best to finish as soon as possible. But what about you? Can you do what you
Yeah. It was really good. We came to know how exactly all the other projects are working. Today we completed our project. So we are really happy.
Hi, my name is
and here staff members are friendly. We learn what of the project and now the project.
Hi, I'm Supriya from East Science Engineering. Well, it was very fun working with Globalogica. They offered very vast range of projects, providing good choices for us. And also they are using nice recent software so that applications so that it's very useful for our students who are for placements.
Okay, tell me like what we committed earlier to you, like I'll be giving you like this. The same way we are giving to you or it's something less we are giving?
It's not completely, but yes.
Like which are the things we are not giving to you?
We are really not satisfied with the part because line by line code explanation is
No,
not
like,
able to say
tell
important.
Even if I tell you also, you will forget that I know. Whenever you put your efforts, whenever you go through there, and whenever you are asking the questions, then only you will control.
And one more thing was that
See, what's your aim? I don't want to invest my time also, and you wanted to learn everything. That way is not possible to keep it.
we were not aware of C#.
You're not aware of C#?
Because it was not our subject, one of our subjects.
That's correct. It's not like that you are not subject, I will not go through that anymore. I am from mechanical, but I am checking all the things.
Not least, but we wanted some guidance about it.
Some guidance you will get whenever you will do something, not blindly will provide. Getting the point? Till yet, you only tell me what is the code earlier itself. Did you go through that? Any one time?
Yeah, but
Where? Tell me.
there were many exceptions that were getting generated because I thought because of the reader is not present RFID.
No, without reader you cannot run your application also. Once not a single time I know very well, if I ask you right now, not a single question you can answer. Because you not yet seen till yet in the output.
That's what it's very difficult. So
it's not difficult. I'm saying it.
Because it's a short time.
Well, I'll tell you. I have a completely 9 years experience. I handle till PhD today, and I know how to deliver the project. Whenever somebody is delivering to your project, your work is to go through the first code and see that how the flow is. Till yet you not yet check. And in that way, if you think like I will be doing the project directly, whenever I say it should come here, let it be anything. If you think like that, then 100% will never come up at any cost. Even I will tell you now what are the things I said to you. I know very well there are total 10% of the things you are having in mind. It's clear. Tell me.
So it's just clear because we don't have a basic foundation about it. So only partly we can understand it because we don't have complete idea about the subject. Whatever we can understand it is also a part of it.
I know very well there are 10% you are getting that what are the things like that. Once if you go through that proper way, then you come to me. Then I'll guide you, okay, what are the things are there, what are the things is not there. First, in the first whenever I explain you code, you cannot determine like I will come to know everything whenever I am saying. It's not possible. It's possible like that. Tell me. It's possible. So you have to give that time. If you not give, because you're doing a project, it's not like that. You paid the money, I will take the ready-made and everything ready-made. I will do. You have to also do practice. If you're learning in the college also, you're doing practice or the college people are giving you one cup of water, you will drink and you will write it. Then, when did you practice? We are given to you the assignment in the classroom. Did you show me any one time? No. When the college people are asking about the project, you came directly and you are saying me to I am not getting because code is very tough for me. But when did you practice? That you say. I given to you the work in the classroom. I given to you the book in the CD. I given to you software. Everything I given to you. What you done? Till yet you installed also software.
Yes, it's already installed and we are working with it. But there are many exceptions and others we are.
No, working. I am not talking about this code. I am talking about the completely what the work I given to you. Did you practice? Did you practice?
So yes, so we were.
Can you show me right now? I have a video here. I wanted to say you one thing. There are many people, whenever they will come in the Global Logica, before that we will give the work for those people to, and before that you can see here we have taken all the videos for all the batches because of they will say like I had some work and something like that and they will quit from there. So in this case what happened, we are taking the video, whenever I see the video then only I deliver the project. But there are many people we are given the work but they are not finished and they come directly and not getting their things. Then you can see here this batch. There are total 6 to 7 batch we are taking the video at a time. Like that, there are total more than 100 batches we are taking the video. And there are none of these guys are showing the performance what is there. Just they will come one day exam before that and they will just need a ready-made project because of they don't want to do any work for that. Where is the work? I'll be asking to you first. First you tell me like what are the things you've done. Just explain me. You practiced already, no? Did you practice with the master page? Yes or no?
Not master page, so that front end design using.
What is front end design you done?
We have login forms.
Did you develop the login form? First you tell me what you have to consider whenever you are developing a login form. Yeah, what you have to consider? You done in the Windows or you done in the web? Tell me.
C# front end design.
C# front end means it's in Windows. So whenever you are developing in a Windows application, what you have to consider first? I already said in the classroom. Tell me. You don't have any questions for this? I already said that every person who is taking the class, they say to you have to go through that first. Whenever you are designing a front end, you have to take a panel. Without panel you cannot do. Right now you don't know how to put the panel also and you are expecting I will understand that all the code automatic. I know what I am doing and I am also an engineer. I also have taken a project from the outside. But whenever I do the project, no, I will understand first completely, then I will do my work. Blindly it won't come in the paper, the Times of India and Indian Express. I was also studying from the BTU syllabus only. So before saying something, you just think first.
No, sir, I'm not blaming you actually that you didn't.
It's not like
because
blaming.
it's
See,
time shortage, even we'll understand that part of it because it's purely time shortage. Otherwise,
see, I will tell you. In every day, I'll tell you, in every day, 1 hour you have time. You cannot deny with that. Is it that clear or not? You had or not first tell me. 1 hour you don't have. Did you practice for the project work anything? Tell me. Did you practice with the anything? how can you will think like if someone is giving to you project blindly it will come everything. If I'm not teaching to you in the classroom and related to that is not there, then you can say to me, yeah, it's not there, but this thing is coming. I said to you the entire design with the windows and web. The code explanation what I done is not yet finished. I already said to you we are giving you the support till your exam. Why I said? Because of you will come to know lots of things whenever you will go through that. Not blindly that I am telling to you. I know very well I cannot explain you the entire code. For the code explanation it will take more than 3 to 4 days to understand. But that all possible whenever you will give the time, not blindly. Now I am asking to you one more questions. Whenever I deliver to you the project, did I ask to you, you have any question you asked to me? I asked or not? For what purpose? I can do like that also, no? Like just understand and go back. Why I am asking to you, to your side at least you generate some questions and ask, I'll be clarifying about this. For what purpose I am doing? The purpose is like whenever you are asking, you are going to get lots of things. So I can deliver to you the answer. You don't have a question at all. What I can say for that? All of you? Tell me. This is not like that you are blaming me or something like that. This is the real thing I am talking about. What are the things I done for you and what you are doing for me. That only I am comparing, that's all. And I am giving you guarantee what the things I taught you in the classroom, if anybody will do, there I have in my fingertips who are the batches are doing the hard work and what they are doing. I will tell you, they are doing the miracle things I cannot expect like they are doing like this. The girls batch, the boys batch, because they are doing practice, they know the value of the project. If you understand the value of the project, because you are going to play with the project in whole life. That's why we are teaching the people to go with the industrial way. If the person is not trying with that anything, what I can do, you only tell me. That's why whenever I am delivering to the project, I will be asking all the questions. What are the questions you have, you ask, I will clarify. Okay, you are not understanding the code. You didn't ask for that. You didn't ask.
We are not aware of the code.
We are not aware of the code because